Hello friends, welcome to my channel Cubing Lab, and today in this video I will solve this ghost pyramid Rubik's cube. So this is our ghost pyramid Rubik's cube and we can solve this cube same like this simple cube. If we can solve this simple cube, so we will able to solve this ghost pyramid Rubik's cube, and also we can solve this ghost pyramid Rubik's cube same like this Landland rhombic octahedron Rubik's cube. So these three Rubik's cube are totally same, only we have difference between these three shapes. We can see this simple cube we have in square shape, and we can easily define our piece by these colors. And this Landland rhombic octahedron Rubik's cube is some little bit tricky and some little bit difficult because its shapes look like in rhombic shape. And this ghost pyramid Rubik's cube, this is also some little bit more difficult because this is in ghost shape and we have every piece in different shape, and we can face some little bit trouble in this ghost pyramid Rubik's cube. But if we sense our pieces, so we can easily solve our this ghost pyramid. So before scrambling and before solving this cube, first I will show some examples about this ghost pyramid. So in every ghost cube, for example this is 2x2 ghost Rubik's cube. So every ghost Rubik's cube, when we can solve our cube on its original shape, so we cannot rotate our cube. So every ghost Rubik's cube we need to misalign like that. I mean, we will match our these lines and then we will able to rotate our cube. Similar, this is 3x3 ghost Rubik's cube. So when we can solve this cube in on its original shape, so we cannot rotate our cube from any side. So if we need to rotate our cube, so our first step we will misalign our cube from different angle. I mean, we will match our these lines and then we will able to rotate our cube. So in every ghost cube, if we want to rotate our cube, so our first step we will misalign our cube. Now you can see this is in its original shape, so we cannot rotate this cube because our these lines are not matching properly. So if we match our these lines like that, now you can see every side our lines are matching. We can rotate from this side, from this position, from this position, from this side. So in every side we can rotate our cube. It's mean our first step we will misalign our ghost Rubik's cube. And second, in this cube we have our main corner piece. So this is our main corner piece. We will solve our complete cube by using this corner. So if I misalign our cube from this position, so now you can see I can rotate from every side. So this is its original shape. I mean, when we solve our cube, so we will place our cube in this position. I mean, we will place our this main corner on this main center. So in this cube, these big sizes pieces are our centers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So in this cube we have 6 center pieces. So these big size pieces are our centers, and similar in this cube these small and some little bit triangle shape pieces, so these are our corners, same like this simple cube. These big size pieces are our centers and these are our corners. So if we hold it cube like that, so this is our top center, this is our bottom center, these are our front center, and similar if we hold like that, so these are our bottom corner, these are our top corner. In every side these are bottom corner, these are top corners. Similar if we hold it cube like that, so this is our main center. We can start our cube from this position. We can check its shape. So this is our main center. We can say this is our white center. So we start our cube from this center, so we will easily solve this ghost pyramid. Now if we check cube like that, so this is our bottom center, This is our top center. These are our front center. And similar in this cube, these are our front corner, these are our top corner, this is our top center. Rotate in this position. These two are our front corner, this is front center. These two are top corner, this is top center. Again rotate in this position. These two are front corner, front center, top corner, top center. Again hold in this position. So these two are our front corner, front center, top corner, top center. Same like this Lanlan rhombic Rubik's cube. This is our bottom center, this is our top center, front corner, these are also our front corner, and these are also. This is our front center, front center, front center and front center. So this is top center, this is bottom. Bottom center, front corner, front center, top corner, top center. Rotate in this position. Bottom center, front corner, front center, top corner, top center. So same algorithm we will remind in our this cube. So if we misalign cube in this position, so we will just focus on this center. So this is our main corner. So this is our main corner. We will focus on this corner and then we will solve our cube. So these are our front corners, these are our front centers, and this is our top center, this is bottom. And second, in this cube, this is our main corner. We will focus on this corner. So between these two corners, we have very big size centerpiece. So our first hint, this is our main corner and our this main corner, and in this corner, between these two corners, we have big size center. So this is big center in our whole cube. So in this position we have big center. From this right side, I mean from this center to next center, we have some little bit small center. So this is small against this center. So this is big, this is some little bit small, and from next, this is also some little bit more than small from this center, and our next and last center is also some little bit small. So small, some little bit big, this is also big, and this is our big center. So this is our main algorithm. If we memorize these four centers, so we can easily solve our these front side. So we will must keep in our mind these four centers. So in this is our main corner, there is big size center, there is some little bit small. In this position we have some more than small center, and there is smaller center, and this top center we have in top position we have this kind of center. So we will just keep in our mind this is our top center. Same like in this cube, yellow center. Now I will scramble these two cubes and I will show these two cubes one by one. Okay, so I have scrambled these two cubes. So I will solve these two cubes in step by step, and I will show that how we can solve. So this is our simple cube. When we start to solve this cube, we will select white center, and first step we will match all four corners with this white center, same like that. Okay, so now you can see we have complete our first step. This is our center and we have matched all four corners on its proper position, because in this cube we have colors. So there is green pair, there is red, there is blue, there is orange. Now in this cube, first we will find our main center. I mean, for example, there is white, so I will tell you in this cube, so this is our main center. We can say this is our white center. So we will start our cube from this position. First corner we will match in this position, second we will match in this position, third corner we will match in this side, and fourth we will match on this side. So we will start. So first we will find in this position, I mean long shape corner. So first we will find our corner. Okay, so I think this is our corner that we need to fix on this position. So first rotate this top layer like that and bring it down. So you can see we have fixed our corner properly. If we find our this corner like that, so we can see our corner is not matching properly. So when we find this kind of situation, we will rotate our this right layer 2 times, 1, 2, and then we will rotate this top face anti-clockwise, and you can see we have rotated its position and bring it back. So this corner we have fixed properly. So that was our first corner we have fixed with this center, and our second corner we will fix on this position. So we can see in this side we have long space. It's mean in this position we need triangle shape corner. We can see in this position we need one triangle shape corner. So rotate this right layer and find our triangle shape corner. So you can see we have fixed our second corner properly. But if we find this corner piece like that, I mean if okay, so if we find this kind of situation, so this triangle we need to fix on this position, but this is rotated. So when we find this kind of situation, we will place this triangle on this position, then rotate this right layer 2 times. We will focus these lines. So this is 1 time rotation, this is second time. Now we have triangle in this position, so this is our top face. Now we will rotate this top face 2 times and bring it down, and now we will rotate this top layer back, and you can see we have rotated our triangle, but this is also not matching properly. Again place this triangle on this position, rotate 2 times, 1, 2, and now rotate top layer 2 times, 1, 2, bring it down. This complete pair we will bring it down, and now we will bring our corner back. So you can see we have rotated our second corner and fixed properly. So if in this position we fix big size triangle, it's mean its opposite side we need smaller triangle. So we have opposite side in this position, so in this side we have small space. It mean we need smaller triangle. So we rotate and we will find our smaller triangle. So now you can see this is our smaller triangle and this is matching properly. So sometime we can find our this triangle like that. We can see this is matching, but if we check our cube properly, so this is not matching properly. If we check from this position, so in this side we can see this is facing up. So we need to rotate this triangle. So place triangle on this position, then this center we will rotate 2 times up, then this top face rotate 2 times, bring this center back and match with this corner, and now we will rotate this layer back and check our triangle. So again we can see this time our this corner is facing up from this position. If we check like this. So this is not matching properly. Again rotate this right layer 2 times up, then this top face rotate 2 times clockwise, bring this center back and match with this corner, and now we will bring this top layer back, and in this side sometime we can see from this side our corner is facing up, so this is also not matching properly. We can check this is not smooth. Again rotate like that and 2 times bring it up, 2 times clockwise, bring it down and match with this corner, and now bring this layer back, and now we will check. So this is also not matching properly. In this side this is facing up, so again we will need to rotate. So up, then this top layer rotate 2 times clockwise, bring this center back, and now if we bring on its proper position, so this is also not matching. Again 2 times bring it up, rotate 2 times, then bring it down, and now we will bring this layer back. Okay, now we can see our this triangle is matching properly and this is totally smooth. It's mean in this time we have fixed our this triangle on its original and proper position. So 1, 2 and 3 corner we have fixed properly. So our fourth corner is off center, and we know in our ghost cube we need to rotate misalign our cube, so our fourth corner is also misaligned and we need to fix our fourth corner on this position. So in start of video I introduce main corner. So in this position we will fix our main corner. So first we will find by rotating this top layer. So this is our main corner, but this is rotated, so we need to fix on its position proper. So bring this corner on this position, I mean on this center, and now 2 times rotate layer up, then this top layer rotate 2 times and bring this layer back and just match with this triangle, and now bring we will back on this position, and again we will try to match our main corner, and you can see in this time our main corner is matching properly. So our first step we have completed. This is our main center, one corner, second corner, third corner and fourth corner. We have matched our fourth corner and our main corner on this position, but its original and actual position in this side. So we will consider our last and fourth corner in this position because this is our original position. We need to rotate our cube. If we place our corner on this position, so we cannot rotate our cube. So now we can check 1, 2, 3 and 4. We have fixed our all 4 corners properly. Same like that. So this step we have completed. Now rotate cube in this position. Place this solved portion in this bottom side and we will match our front centers. So we will select our centers from top side. In this position we have green, so rotate cube in this green side and apply down, down, up, up. This is done. Now we have in top blue, so rotate in blue side, again down, down, up, up. This time we have orange, so rotate in orange side and apply down, down, up, up. In this time we have red, so rotate in red side and apply down, down, up, up. So we have fixed our all 4 corner and also we have solved our this top layer. But I will rotate this top layer and I will just focus on these 4 centers. So that is our second step. This is done, this is done, this is also. We match all 4 centers with these front corners. Now in this cube, this is our bottom center, one corner, second, third and fourth, they are matching properly, And now we will start to solve our front center by using this main corner. So this is our main corner, and now we know in between these two corner we have big size center. In this side we have some little bit small center. In this side we also have more than small center, and also in this position we have smaller center. So we will just rotate our cube in this main center, and we will check our this top center. So this is bottom center, front corner, front center, top corner, top center, and we will solve our cube by selecting our top centers. So now you can see this is smaller center. So in this side we need big center, so we will leave it. In this side we also need some big center, so we will also leave it. First we will check our this top center in this position. So we will check one by one. I mean, first we will check from left side. So this is not matching properly. Go back, and we will check from right side. So from right side this is also not matching. It means we will go to next these two corners and try to fix this top center on this position. So again we will match from right side. So we can see this is not matching properly. Bring it back, and now we will check from left side, I mean rotating from left hand, and you can see from this position our this center is matching with this corner properly. We will rotate back in this position, and we can check our piece is matching by rotating our left hand. It means we will apply our algorithm down down up up from left side. So down down up and up. So this center we have fixed properly. Now we will again go back to our main corner. So that is our main corner. I mean these two are front corner, front center, top corner, top center, and in this time in top side we have big size center. So we know this center we need to fix between these two corners. So if we check from left side, so our center is matching with this corner properly. Again we will apply our algorithm from left hand, and we can say anti-clockwise. Down down up up. This is also fixed, and now we will again check our this top side, and in this time we have in top side our top center. Sometime when we solve these four pieces, so we can face our yellow center in our top side. So when we find this kind of situation, so we will apply algorithm from any one side, and we will replace yellow with any color center. So this is same situation. This is our top and yellow center. So we need to replace this center with any one. So this is solved. We will leave it. We can apply our algorithm from this position. So we will replace. So down down up and up. Now we have replaced, and we can see we have top center on this position, and in this time we have on top side this smaller center. So I think this small center we need to fix on this position because this is very small. So if check from left side, so again we can see this is matching from left side. Again we will apply down down up up from left side. So these are our front corner, front center, top corner, top center. So this is our main algorithm. We will just focus on these corner and center, and our cube will solve properly. So down down I apply algorithm from left side, up, up. This is done. Again go back to main corner, and now you can see in between these two we need big size center, so this is available. We need to just rotate, so this is fixed on its proper position. In this side we have this center, so this is our top center, so we will leave it. And this center I think we need to fix between these two corners, because we will just check our center by these sizes. So if we rotate from left side, and again we can see our this center is matching from left side, so again we will apply our algorithm from left side. So just keep in our mind, these two are our front corner, front center, top corner, top center. So just using from left side, I mean anti-clockwise, down, down, and every time we will rotate cube 2 times, up. So you can see I am rotating 2 times, 1, 2, I mean up. Again we will go to main center, and you can see in this position we have available big size center, so this is done. We need to just rotate, and in this side we need some little bit more big center, so I think this center we need to fix on between these two. So these two are front corner, front center, top corner, top center. If we check from left side, this time we can see this is not matching from left side. Go again up and check from right side, and you can see in this time our this top center is matching from right side, and this time our algorithm we will be apply from right side, clockwise. So down, down, up, and up. So this is fixed, and now again we will go to our top center by using this main corner, because this is our main corner. We will every time we will check from this position. So if we check from this side, so we will not puzzle. Okay, so this time we have smaller center, so we can see in this side we need big, some little bit small, so this is already available. In this side we need some more than small, and in this side we need smaller, so this is our smaller center. So check from right side, so we can see our center is matching from right side. This is not matching from left side. If we rotate from left side, so we can see this is not matching. So go up and apply algorithm from right side. So down, down, up, up. So our this step is some little bit tricky, and now we can see in this side we have big size center, so this is fixed, but this is rotated, so I mean this is okay. This is also matching properly, this is also matching properly, and this is also matching properly. So 3 front centers are matching properly. One is on its proper position, but this is not matching properly. So when we find this kind of situation, so we will place our this rotated center in our front side and apply down, down, up, up. And now we have applied one time our algorithm, so we have find this kind of situation. Second time we will apply same algorithm, down, down, up, up. And now we can see we have find this kind of situation. If we suppose this center by yellow, so we have yellow on this top side. This center is fixed properly. This center is on its proper position, only this is rotated. This is also fixed properly. This is also rotated. So 2 centers are rotated, 2 are fixed properly. So we can apply our algorithm from any unsolved center. So if I apply from this position, so first we will check our all corners. So these two are our first corners, these two are second. So we can also apply from this position. So down, because this is also unsolved, down, up, up one time, again we will apply down. So this is matching properly, down, up, up. Okay, so this is done. This is also on its proper position. This is also on its proper position, just rotated, and this is also rotated. So this is our ideal situation. When we find this kind of situation, I mean one center is matching properly, other three center are on its proper position, they are just rotated. So when we find this kind of situation, so we will easily solve our cube this step, because we place one rotated center in our right side, second we will place in our left side, and third we will place in our front side. So we can see this is on its proper position, this is fixed, this is rotated, this is also rotated. So this is our ideal situation, because one rotated center we have in right side, one in left side. So from this position we will apply down down up up two times. So hold it cube like that. First I will show about these corners, because we will every time we will keep in our mind these corners properly. So these two are our front corner. In this position these two are our front corner. In this position these two are our front corner. In this position these two are our front corner. So our algorithm down down up up apply between these two corners. So hold cube carefully, and now we will apply our algorithm two times, and our all three pieces and fourth is also available on its proper position. So our all center will be solved and our this step will be complete. So two times we will apply down, down, up, up. Once down, we can see our centers are matching, down, up, up, and now we can see we have complete our this step. That was our main corner. So between these two corner our center is fixed properly. This is our second, these are our second front corner. So this is our center matching properly. These two are our third, and in this side we have also fixed our centers properly. These two are our fourth front corner. So in this side we have also fixed. Now we will rotate cube in on its original position, and now we have same case between these two cubes. This is our top side, and our all four corners are rotated. On no one corner is matching properly. Similar, this is our top center, one corner, second corner, third corner, fourth. So all four corners are rotated. First we will go to our main corner. So this is our main corner. We will misalign our cube from this position, and now we will go to our top center. When we find this kind of situation, so we have two pieces that we need to rotate clockwise, and two pieces we have need to rotate anti-clockwise. So first we will find our piece. If we check this corner, so this will be rotated clockwise. Red will fix on this side, blue will fix on this side, yellow will fix on this side. This corner we need to rotate clockwise. This corner also we need to rotate clockwise. So these two corner we need to rotate clockwise. These two opposite corner we need to rotate anti-clockwise. We can see orange will fix on this side, rotate in this position. So this is our anti-clockwise situation. This is also our anti-clockwise situation. So we have two options and we can select any one. So in this position we will apply our algorithm invert. I mean, if I select these two corners, that we need to rotate anti-clockwise. So if we place these two corners in our front side, so we will apply our algorithm down down up up 4 times clockwise. If we place these two corners, that we need to rotate clockwise. So if from this position I will apply algorithm, so I will apply anti-clockwise 4 times. So if I apply from this position, so this is our anti-clockwise situation because these two corners we need to rotate clockwise. So 5 times down, down, up, up, sorry, 4 times down, down, up, up, down, down, up, up, and last time down, down, up, up, and our cube we have solved. Same case in this cube. This is our front center, these are our front corner. If we check our this corner, so we can easily check. So this corner we need to rotate clockwise because this side we need to fix on this position. So this corner need to rotate clockwise. This corner also need to rotate clockwise because this triangle shape will fix on this position. So these two need to rotate clockwise and these two we need to rotate anti-clockwise. We can see if we place this corner on this position, I mean anti-clockwise, so this will be solved. This corner also we need to rotate on this position, so these two are anti-clockwise, these two are clockwise. So in this cube our best option is that we select these two corners that we need to rotate anti-clockwise because this is our best option. This is in ghost shape, so we can select and we can solve easily from this position. So just hold cube like that. One corner we will place in this position, second we will place in this right side, and this is our step. I mean from this side position we will complete our algorithm. So we will just focus on this line. So apply 4 times clockwise, down down up up, because these two corners we need to rotate anti-clockwise. So hold it cube like that, focus on this line, and 4 times we will complete our algorithm. Sorry, okay, down, down, up, up 1 time. So apply algorithm very carefully. Down, down, up, up second time, down, down, up, up third time, down, down, up, up 4 times, and you can see our Gauss pyramid we have solved properly. Now in last layer we can find another case. So first I will create second case and then I will show. Okay, so I have created same situation between these two cubes. So when we solve this last layer, sometime we can face this kind of situation. We have already matched two corner piece and two corner piece we have rotated. So when we find this kind of situation, so we will check our these two corners. So if we check from this position, so this corner we need to rotate anti-clockwise. If we check from this side, so this corner we need to rotate clockwise. So we will select any one corner. If I select this, that we need to rotate clockwise, so also we will apply our algorithm 4 times clockwise. So when we find this kind of situation, when our two corners are rotated, so we select our this corner that is rotating clockwise, so we will also apply algorithm 4 times clockwise. If we select this corner that we need to rotate anti-clockwise, so also we will apply our algorithm anti-clockwise. If I select this, so place this corner on this left side, second corner we will place on its opposite side, and this is rotating anti-clockwise, so also we will apply our algorithm anti-clockwise 4 times. 1 2 3 4 and our all corners will be rotated, we can see. And similar in ghost cube, first we will check our main corner, and from this position we will misalign our cube, and now we can see this corner is rotated, this is fixed, this is rotated, this is fixed. Same situation, two corners are matching on its position properly, two corners are rotated. And if we check this corner, so this corner we need to rotate clockwise, its opposite corner we must need to rotate anti-clockwise. We can see this corner will rotate on this position. But in this ghost cube, our best option that we apply algorithm from clockwise corner, because in ghost cube if we apply from clockwise, so that was our best option. So in this ghost cube we will hold it cube like that. So this is in ghost shape, so we will change our position. One corner that we need to rotate we will place in this front side, and second we will place in its opposite side and some little bit in down side. And from this position we will apply our algorithm down down up up 4 times. So down down up up down down up up down down up up down down up up. And now first we will rotate our cube on its original position. Okay, now you can see we have created same situation. First I will misalign our cube from our main corner. Okay, so now you can see this is our top center, our all 4 corners are rotated. Same situation. So we know if we select our these 2 corners that we need to rotate anti-clockwise. For example, these 2 corners we need to rotate anti-clockwise, so we will apply algorithm 4 times clockwise. 1 2 3 4. So this is done, and this is ghost shape, so we will find any 2 corners that we need to rotate anti-clockwise, because if we apply our algorithm clockwise, so we can easily solve. So this corner we can see we need to rotate anti-clockwise, this corner will rotate clockwise, and this corner will also rotate anti-clockwise. So we will select these 2 corners because this is our best option. So one corner we will place in this front left side, and second we will place in this right position, and we will complete our algorithm on this position. So hold it cube like that and apply 4 times down down up up clockwise, because they are rotating anti-clockwise. So very carefully we will apply algorithm. So down down up up once time, down down up up second, down down up up third, down down up, and then up fourth. And our ghost cube we have solved properly. So very simple and very easy Rubik's cube. We just keep in our mind these pieces and we can solve this cube properly. So I request to all people, please like and share my video and subscribe my channel. Thank you.